Entertainment.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Let's make some grilled chicken kebabs. Here are all the ingredients, and I'm using chicken breasts in this recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in. And here are all my seasoning. And yes, I have some green seasoning, and the video is coming soon for the green seasoning. Here are my bell peppers.
Entertainment.
Here is the chicken breast, and I already cleaned it with lime and vinegar. So I'm going to be cutting the chicken breast into big cubes. Okay? Make sure your knife is very sharp and be careful when handling your knife. So one piece, I'm going to cut it into 4 chunks. Just like this size. Okay? Thank you so much again, guys, for your support. And if it's your first time here, please do remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. I will now go ahead and start seasoning up the chicken breast. And for all the measurements and ingredients, the link will be in the description. So please check out the links in the description box. Thank you so much. So now I will add my green seasoning. Yes, guys, this green seasoning smells so good. The video will be out soon. Green season is the best, guys. Make your green season at home.
Entertainment.
Now that the chicken has been seasoned, I am going to cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside to marinate while I move on to preparing the peppers and onions and also the pineapple. I'm also going to be cutting the bell peppers into chunks along with the onions and the pineapple. I'm going to be cutting them in chunks. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This size is perfect, just like this. So colorful and pretty. Look at these bell peppers. So pretty.
Purely entertainment.
I will now remove the core from the pineapple, and I'm going to be cutting it in half, and then each piece of pineapple I will be cutting it into 3 chunks. Just like this, guys. This size is perfect. This pineapple is very ripe, guys, and sweet. Here's the chicken breast. Push the skewer straight in the center, in the middle, just like this, and push it straight through. Yes, just like that, guys. Then you're gonna add 1 piece of the bell pepper, then the onion, and you're gonna keep on repeating the steps. Pineapple, just like that.
Purely entertainment.
More bell pepper, chicken, bell pepper again, onion, and you continue with the process. There we have one already done, waiting to get on the grill. So I'm doing another one here. Here we have them. So I'm going to lightly grease my grill with the cooking spray, just like this. And once the grill is heated and ready, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put on my kebabs. That little one right there, guys, that second one right there, I just wrapped the chicken strip around it earlier in the video when I was cutting the chicken breast. If you realize, I cut off the side of the breast for that purpose. So I just basically wrap the chicken strip around it. I will show it to you in another video. Now that I've got them all on the grill, I'm going to be grilling them for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to turn them on the other side, and these are looking so mouth-watering already. Now I will go ahead and I will wet them with my Carib Shandy. And you can try that too when you're grilling. It gives it a very nice flavor. It kicks up the flavor in it.
Pure entertainment.
Look at these guys. Look how yummy and delicious they are looking. And I'm grilling some more. Look at this deliciousness. Wow. Thank you so much again for your support. Please remember to like the video, guys. Share the video out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Look at this goodness. Smells so good, tastes so delicious, very flavorful and nice. Try it out, guys. Try out the recipe. Make them for the kids. Summer is coming up and these are good for the summer. Thank you so much again, guys. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others, and in everything that you do, put God first. Thank you again. To all my members, thank you. The viewing public, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thank you for being here. Look, guys. Wow. Take care, guys, and I'm gonna see you in another video. Bye.